Are you a multi-language team? Do you speak in English but may have other people on the team who speak in Spanish? Well, lucky for you, here at Tactiq, we have the perfect solution when it comes to multi-language note-taking. So for each and every business, this could be an international business that you're working in. You have a lot of diverse members of your team. And with that diversity comes different languages. And those different languages need to be served well. Now, how can we serve these team members well when it comes to note-taking? Obviously, AI note-taking has overtaken the entire world as we know it, and not many people out there go through a meeting without a recording bot or a Chrome extension like Tactiq recording everything that's going on. Well, lucky for you, what I'm gonna show you in this video is how Tactiq can be used great for a multilingual team. All you need to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and look up Tactiq and install the Tactiq Chrome extension. Now, once you're inside of Tactiq, you'll notice that you see on the top here that it says it's transcribing in whatever language you're defaulting to. So for me, it's English. And when I click change here, you'll notice it has the ability to change what the meeting is. So for example, if I want to change it to something like German, for example, you'll notice if I keep talking that there's really nothing coming through here because I'm not speaking German anymore. However, ich könne ein bisschen Deutsch sprechen. Ich könne ein bisschen Deutsch sprechen, vielleicht. So now I'm going to write a short business exchange in German. Guten Morgen zusammen. Lassen Sie uns direkt beginnen. Frau Schmidt, wie steht es den aktuellen Projektfortschritt? Können wir abschätzen, wie sich das finanziell auswirken wird? Verstanden. So I just said some stuff that I knew in German from a little example back and forth in a meeting, and you can see that it did pick it up in German. Now that's great because at the beginning it was picking it up in English. So what I'm gonna do here is go back here and I can change the language again if we're gonna go back to speaking English. And you can always pause and unpause this. But I'm in Google Meet, so essentially what it's gonna do is take whatever language is being spoken that's in the proper transcription. So now we're back speaking English, and this can be done for pretty much anything. If you're looking for Spanish, Italian, Greek, whatever is capable on the platform, Tactiq is basically just taking the transcribed context from like Google Meet, for example, as the platform. So if the platform can transcribe that language, it's gonna help you out here. And the key thing to note is that we do not want anything to fall through the cracks. So whatever language the meeting's being spoken in, make sure that you change to the proper language. It's not always gonna like figure out who's speaking what, but what it is gonna do is help you out immensely on this track. So if I go here and press end call, what'll happen is inside of here, you'll see it's a 3-minute call and it does have the German. So let me just ask, what was said in the German section of this call? And you can always change the meeting language here. So if I go to Deutsch, it's gonna translate it. Oh, well, no, I'm sorry. This is the only German part that was said, but that's a good point. If I go back to English, I ask, translate the German section into English. As you can see, it says, I can speak a little German, maybe. That's what I said at the beginning of the call. Ich kann ein bisschen Deutsch sprechen, vielleicht. Means like, I can speak a little German, maybe. And then afterwards it was, good morning, everyone. Let's get started right away. Ms. Schmidt, how is the current situation? Can we estimate how final will start? So this is pretty great, right? So if someone's speaking another language, you could always transcribe it into that language and then ask questions of it using our AI here and still generate action items and all that kind of stuff. And it'll translate it out using that AI capabilities. So wondrous, wondrous tool here. Generating a detailed summary in English and in any language tier 2 would work great. As you can see, it's building the response for the detailed summary. And I talked about how I literally said the things I said at the beginning of this video. So yeah, if you're looking to transcribe different languages, make sure to try out Tactiq today. You can get it for free by installing it on the Chrome store. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.